Did you know Florence Nightingale saved more lives with a chart than most generals ever saved with armies? Everyone knows her as the kind nurse with the lamp, but that was never the whole story. In 1854, British soldiers in Crimea were dying in massive numbers, not from bullets, from infected wounds, dirty water, and disease spreading through military hospitals. Nobody in power believed it was that bad. So Nightingale built something new, a circular diagram that showed, in one glance, that preventable disease was killing far more men than combat. She put death into a shape that bureaucrats could not argue with. The British government reformed its military hospitals within months. She did not beg. She did not plead. She made the numbers impossible to ignore.